Hi everybody. Yeah, I just got home from work, so about the non-gardening clothes, but I wanted to show you some of the things that we're growing in containers, whether you have a large garden and just want to add some more to it, or if you're gardening on a balcony or in a small space, this hopefully will be helpful. This is a watermelon. It actually started from seeds, so got a late start, but it is starting to get fruit. It's only the beginning of August, and it's actually been very cold the past couple of weeks, so everything's a little stunted right now. When the fruit develops, I will put it in a mesh bag and hang it from the tomato cage here, so that will take the weight off of the watermelon. Tomatoes is a given. We grow our tomatoes a couple of different ways, but we always grow them in containers. You can see little fruit starting on this. This is a brandywine that was started indoors, and it was, I didn't think it was going to survive. It was so small. So the fact that it's even getting this big is wonderful. Over here is some cucumbers. You can see them starting to develop also. I don't think we have any cucumbers yet. We've just started getting our cucumbers in our regular bed. So the fact that this isn't having any yet is not surprising. Here we're growing some Serrano Peppers. This was chewed off by the deer, and I did just pick 4 peppers off of here yesterday. Serranos and jalapenos. I'm sorry, I should know better. That's a jalapeno, duh. I picked 4 serranos yesterday. So just coming along. And here are some more peppers. These were started from seed. You can see all 3 pots right there with peppers in them. Peppers do well in containers. They like to be close together. Here we have a winter squash. This is called North Georgia Candy Roaster. I will also be putting that squash in a net bag probably this weekend when I'm not working. And here's another one that the squash is already in a net bag. That just takes the weight off of it. Some things are not really meant to grow vertically, and those are ones. But you can easily grow squashes in containers. I have a couple zucchini plants. Here's one coming here. We've already eaten a few. We've had at least one off each plant, and like I said, it's been chilly, so get some good heat. Maybe we'll get some good zucchini. There are a lot of other things that can be grown in containers. Some of them should be. A lot of the herbs that are invasive, like oregano and anything in the mint family, which includes lemon balm, all the balms. Horseradish should be grown in a container, a big container that's very invasive. You can grow ginger in a container, basil in a container, strawberries, almost anything, green beans, peas. There's a lot of information out there. Eggplant, there's an eggplant called fairy something. It's an exceptionally small eggplant, and it's specifically developed to grow in containers. And often that's a hint. If the name of the plant, the variety, means small, or if it's childish, like Hansel and Gretel or something like that, usually means it's better suited to growing in containers. An exception to that is the Tasmanian chocolate tomato that we love to grow. We're not growing this year. I wish we were. I'll put a picture of that up there, and I'll talk about that another time because I will be growing that again this coming spring. So give it a shot, you know, you never know until you try. Look on the seed packet, sometimes they'll show a little pot and with a check mark, meaning that yes, it's good for containers. There's even corn you can grow in containers, and it only gets to be 4 feet high. So good luck, enjoy.